Hey there, Food for Life family. Welcome back to the channel. If you're craving something warm, fluffy inside, and crispy outside, then today's recipe is just for you. We're making the perfect stack of delicious Belgian chocolate chips waffles, light, airy, and irresistible. Whether making them for breakfast or a fun weekend treat, this recipe will become your go-to. So let's get started. We are going to start with 1 cup of warm milk. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar. The sugar will feed the yeast, helping it activate and get nice and bubbly. Give it a quick stir. Let it set for 10 minutes or so to foam up. Once your yeast mixture is ready, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a cup of homemade melted butter. If you wanted to know how I made this homemade butter, please check the info card above or the description box below. Now that you have, stir the mixture well. Add 2 cups of pancake flour and 1/2 teaspoon salt. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family or friends. Also subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of the future videos like this. Now it is time to mix all the ingredients well. Now, cover it with a clean towel and in a warm place, let it rise for 30 minutes, or until it is doubled in size. Next, preheat the waffle maker 15 minutes before the readiness of the batter. Now that our batter is ready, mix 1 cup of chocolate chips in it and mix it very well. Once the waffle maker is hot, grease it with butter or spray it with oil. Now it is time to cook. Let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Repeat this process for the rest of the batter and stack those golden beauties up high. Now the fun part, topping them off. You can go classic with butter and maple syrup, or get creative with fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Possibilities are endless. And there you have it. Belgian chocolate chips, waffles, fluffy inside and crispy outside. I hope you try this recipe out at home, and remember, cooking is all about having fun and sharing the love. Thanks for tuning in to Food for Life, where every meal is made with love. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.